Same as Windows 10 updates, Windows 11 updates are also incremental and are called as Windows 11 only. So if you want to know how to check Windows 11 version in laptop or computer, watch this video full and follow the steps. Hey folks, myself Akhil from WM Originals, back with another quick short Windows 11 tutorial, and today I wanna show you all how to check Windows 11 version in laptop or PC. Following the steps shown in the video, you can check if latest Windows 11 update is installed on your PC or not and know which version of Windows 11 you are using. But before I start, if you are new to WM Originals, do support and subscribe to my channel and hit bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. So now let's begin and know how to check Windows version in computer. Well, there are many ways you can check your Windows version, and first of them is Windows settings. Click on Windows button and then click on settings icon. From here in system, scroll down to about. Click on it. Now here you will see Windows 11 version with much more details about your current Windows PC. Here you can also check the OS build as well as the build version. So friends, this was the first way you can check your Windows 11 version. Alternatively, you can also open the run command and then use WinVer command to check Windows 11 version. Press Windows plus R, it opens up run command. Now write WinVer and press enter. Now here it opens about Windows dialog box. Here also we can find Windows 11 version with current OS build. So friends, these are two of most common ways to check current Windows version, and this is what I had for today. Hope you find this useful. If yes, give this video a thumbs up. Also share your feedback in comments, and if you want to watch more Windows 11 tutorials like these, do subscribe to my channel and hit bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. And if you want to watch videos in Hindi, do subscribe to my channel Tech Akhil. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video. और आज मैं इस वीडियो में आपको बताऊंगा कि कैसे आप ऑफिशियल विंडोज 10 ISO फाइल फ्री डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं. Have you deleted your photos and want to recover them? If yes, this video is for you.